back, folks. You see from the opening video that I was cutting up a bit of meat and getting stuff prepared because today we are bottling meat here at the cabin, okay? You saw me cut up, I got bottling 3 types of meat today. Got some rabbit that I caught the winter. When I caught the rabbit, I freeze them in the fridge, and then I bottle them up later. We like bottled meat around here. Also, you saw me cut up some moose, and I got a pile of moose here that we're going to bottle up. And something new that I'm going to try this time, and I've never bottled it before. But I had some in the freezer, so I said and it's the end of it for the last season. But I have some seal meat, and you can see it's really dark. And yeah, so I'm going to bottle up seal meat. And I don't have much here, so I'll get a bottle, maybe 2 out of it. If a 2-cup bottle, I'd probably get 2 of them, or a larger 4-cup bottle, I get 1 bottle. So I think I'm going to do up a couple bottles of seal, some moose, rabbit. Of course, we got Poppy Rays, and this is the original Poppy Rays container, folks. So still have that here at the cabin, so I'm going to be using that. Salt pork goes in it. And onions. I got onions back there waiting to go into the bottles, okay? So yeah, I got all the stuff prepared, and I won't take you through the monotony of doing all the bottles. Once I get them done, I'll bring you back, and then we'll get ready to put them on the burner and boil them. They need to be on the burner for about 3 hours to cook, and we'll do that outside later on. So folks, I'm going to get busy here now to put all these bottles together, and I'll take a little bit of video of it, but when I bring you back, we'll have them all done, ready to go. So folks, I got it all bottled up. I ended up with 6 bottles of moose, 2 bottles of seal, and 2 bottles of rabbit. Now the rabbit didn't quite fill the bottles, but I've done that before. I put a bit of water in with them, so it should be okay. If they break, then I'll know better for next time, but I have put 1 rabbit in each bottle. And so now the next task is to go get the burner out, get the propane on the go, and we'll start cooking. These will take about 3.5 hours to cook up. Shouldn't take that long. It shouldn't be too bad because it won't be, the boiler won't be crowded with too many bottles. So yeah, we'll get these all cooked up now, and I'll bring you back when we get that set up. Really smart with it. Yeah. Going away now, guys. For about 45 minutes. We got another 1 hour and 2 hours and 15 minutes. 3 hours total on the boil. Looking good.